Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Power BI on your desktop. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your browser and just type Power BI for desktop and enter. And here you can see the Power BI is officially licensed by Microsoft. So this is their official website. Click the first link, download Microsoft Power BI, and scroll down, and here you can see the download option and also the language option. You can change the language if you want to, but I'm going to keep the language to English as it is, and select the download option here. And after that, it will automatically start to download this this exe file. So I already downloaded it, so I'm going to go to the folder that the download file is containing, and after that, to install it, simply double click it and select run. And I'm going to minimize everything, and you can change the language again from here. I'm going to select next, select yes, and as you can see, it's preparing to install, and select next again and select I accept the terms, and next again. And here the Power BI desktop will be installed on your program files. You can change it if you want to, but I'm going to keep it as default and select next. And it will also create a desktop shortcut here, and select install, and the installation process has started. So all we have to do is now wait for it to completely install on our PC. And as you can see, the installation process is completed. I'm going to select the finish option here, and here is the shortcut that we created when we are installing the Power BI desktop. So I'm going to double click it to open the application. So this is the software that we call Power BI. Now you can use it as you like. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.